The United States has so many diverse cities and attractions that it is difficult to narrow down the list to the 12 top travel destinations. This list is an introduction to the best and most popular places to go in the United States, from hotspots in New York City to when to see the cherry blossoms in Washington. American icons like the Statue of Liberty, the Empire State Building, and Times Square are on every first-time visitors list, but they are just a few of the attractions to see in New York City, America's most populous and most popular city. Also known as the Big Apple, New York City is a favorite destination for both domestic and international visitors. Don't miss a leisurely walk on the High Line, an old railroad track turned park that features greenery, artwork, and beautiful skyline views. Broadway and the Theatre District is the place to go to see the latest plays and musicals, and if you're an art lover, New York has an embarrassment of riches: the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Museum of Modern Art, the Guggenheim Museum, the Whitney Museum of American Art, and the Frick Collection. Or go shopping on Fifth Avenue. Check out Washington Square and Greenwich Village and Rockefeller Center, take a walk through Central Park, and get awed by Grand Central Terminal. Search for top-rated hotels on TripAdvisor near LA's famous beaches like Malibu or Santa Monica for a luxurious stay. Go shopping on Rodeo Drive, tour Beverly Hills, and walk along the boardwalk in LA's most famous beachfront neighborhood, Venice Beach. Chicago has long been called the second city, coming in second to New York City in both size and population. A beacon in the Midwest, Chicago is actually third in population these days, but it has a skyline, restaurants, shopping, museums, and activities that easily rival NYC and LA. Check out the Magnificent Mile, where you'll find every upscale shop imaginable and fantastic restaurants. Washington, the capital of the United States, has miles of museums and monuments, almost all of which are free. You can overdose on museums if you add the United States Holocaust Museum, the National Air and Space Museum, the National Portrait Gallery, the Hirshhorn Museum, and the National Gallery of Art. But Las Vegas also has blockbuster shows, world-class shopping, and top-notch restaurants, all of which make this city a true desert oasis and a top travel destination. Take a tour of the MGM Grand, try your luck at the Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino, or walk through the Neon Museum, which showcases iconic Las Vegas signs. Symbolized by the red rafters of the Golden Gate Bridge, this legendary city on San Francisco Bay is known for its neighborhoods, like Chinatown and the hippie-turned enclave of Haight-Ashbury. While San Francisco is an ideal city for nature lovers as well as the jet set, it is also a great jumping-off point for trips to the wine country of Napa Valley and Sonoma County or to the colossal tech campuses of Silicon Valley. Check out the Bay Area's top hotel deals on TripAdvisor before you go and make San Francisco your base to discover Northern California. New Orleans is all about festivals, French roots, and a laissez-faire attitude, making it a distinctly different and popular destination for both American and international travelers. For the most authentic experience, stay in the French Quarter, where you'll be close to legendary restaurants and legendary streets, like Bourbon. And it's just a short drive from Frenchman Street, where you can hear the live jazz music New Orleans is famous for. Its proximity to the Great Smoky Mountains makes it a jumping-off point for hiking or just jaw-dropping drives through the mountains. From the natural beauty of its beaches and volcanoes to its rich Pacific culture, Hawaii is the perfect destination if you're looking to really get away from it all. Miles of beautiful beaches, family-friendly attractions like Walt Disney World, and the Latino culture and Art Deco style of Miami make Florida a top-of-the-list travel destination. The road through Big Sur and the Central Coast, covering about 163 miles from Carmel to San Simeon, is a visual feast of winding turns and cliffs with the waves of the blue Pacific as a backdrop. Check out the Carmel Monterey area on the north end and visit Hearst Castle in San Simeon at the end of the drive. Best vacation destinations in the eastern United States. The 12 best destinations on California's Central Coast. How to get from San Francisco to New York. Los Angeles to San Francisco on the Pacific Coast Highway. Top natural attractions in the United States. The best cities to celebrate the 4th of July in America. Best of the West. Put these destinations on your bucket list.